In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a permanent meeting link or code on Google Meet. This is a handy tool, especially for those who host frequent online meetings or classes, as it provides a consistent and reliable link you can share with participants. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to Google Meet, open your preferred browser and type in the URL or search for Google Meet. You'll be directed to the Google Meet landing page, which is your starting spot for all things video conferencing. Next, keep an eye out for the waffle icon. This is the small grid of squares located at the top right of your screen. Clicking on this will reveal a host of Google applications. From this menu, you'll want to select Google Classroom. Even if you're not using it in the traditional school sense, this step is essential for setting up a permanent meeting link. Once in Google Classroom, look for the option that says Create Class. Click on it and you'll be presented with some legal jargon. This notice is important for those in educational institutions, but if you're not using Classroom in such a setting, you'll check the box indicating you've read and understood the notice and confirm that it doesn't apply to you. Don't forget to hit continue after that to proceed. Now we've reached the point where you can fill in the class details. Think of this as filling out a profile. It helps organize your classes or meetings. You'll typically enter information like the class name, section, subject and room. With that done, go ahead and click Create. After creating your class, focus your attention on the class code option. Clicking here gives you access to the meeting code that you can use repeatedly. This code acts as your permanent Google Meet link, and from this point onwards it's yours to use and share as needed. Throughout this process, it's essential to ensure you're logged into the correct Google account, particularly if you switch between personal and work accounts, to avoid any mix-ups. Also, it's good practice to save this newly minted meeting link somewhere easily accessible, like a calendar event or a shared document, making it simple to distribute to your attendees. And that's it! You now have a permanent link for your Google Meet sessions, ready for use at any time, whether for business conferences, teaching, or just keeping in touch with family and friends. This link simplifies the whole process and eases the stress of constantly sharing new links. Thank you for joining me, and happy conferencing.